don't know, I feel like my energy is all over the place and kind of I don't know why. Greetings my lovable weirdos and welcome to an unboxing video. Yes, you probably noticed I have bangs. They're new, fairly recent, like literally 2 days old. I did not do them myself because I did not trust myself to give myself bangs. So I paid $12 to get them cut in and to get the rest of my undercut touched up. That's what I want to say. Yes. Yeah, and I think they're super cute because they work if I tie my hair up, and they work great when I have my hair down. It works either way. Looks great both up and down. Today's video is an unboxing video, like I mentioned earlier, or an unpackaging video, because I made a purchase from, I can't pronounce this, Vivre, V-I-V-R-E. They are like a local brand, by local I mean Singaporean brand, who does fitness wear. They had a sale going on last weekend, and a friend of mine, Stephanie, who you should go check out. Her channel is Stephanie Faith Sim. She does some amazing covers. She's got this really cool radio play going on. Unfortunately it's in Chinese, so I don't understand a word that she's saying, but she has a really relaxing tone of voice in her radio play, so it's great to just put it on when you just want to relax and drift off and not think about anything. It's so soothing. Yes, but she was the one who first introduced me to this brand. I saw her wearing a pair of leggings from this brand, and then I was like, oh my gosh, what is that on your leg? And I realized that her leggings had pockets, or a pocket down the side of the leg, not like where exercise workout leggings usually have the pockets just like right at the waist. They have a hidden pocket there usually, but no, this set of leggings had the pocket down the leg. So it was a lot more comfortable. It was large enough to fit a phone, which is what really drew my attention, because that was her phone on her leg, and I was like, what the heck? I've never seen a pair of leggings with pockets big enough for a phone. And I was like, I have to check this out, because I am currently trying to train for a Spartan race in March. And one of the big things about training for me is I don't know where to put my phone when I'm training, usually when I'm running, because I don't have one of those arm things where you put your phone in this thing and just strap it to your arm or wherever. I don't have one of those. I don't like one of those either because they tend to just slip down my arm. They just tend to not fit me, and I don't find them comfortable. So yeah, so I've always just been holding my phone when I'm doing the running part of my training, and I don't know if it's just the extra weight in my hand just tires me out after a while, and I don't know, it's not convenient. So when I saw my friend Steph with her leggings with the pockets that could fit a phone, I was like, I need those. So when they had a sale last weekend, I placed an order for 2 pairs of leggings with pockets and a hooded workout top, because I really like hooded tops. So this is what it came in. It came super fast, in like, I think 2 days, which makes sense because it's a local brand. And the reason why it didn't come in 1 day, it's because I placed my order on a Sunday. So now I am going to open this and see if the leggings live up to expectations, and if the top is as cute as it looked on its website. Oh, I broke this. Doesn't matter, that's not the important part. Okay. So yes, 2 pairs of leggings. The colors match what the pictures were on the site, so I am very happy about that. And 1 hooded top. Let's open it. So this is the one that has the mesh detail down the side, because I like mesh details in my leggings. And Here's the pocket. It fits a phone perfectly. I didn't notice. It's pockets on both sides of the leggings. I have 2 pockets on my leggings. I am so happy. Does the other one also have 2 pockets? Did I just not notice? I am pretty oblivious to things, so it's very, very possible that the website mentioned that the leggings would have 2 pockets and I just missed that completely. I wouldn't put it past me. Ooh, what does it say? Oh, here. No, it's too bright. Oh, there we go. Vivre, V-I-V-R-E. It says, quick drying, 4-way stretch, anti-stink. I appreciate that. Long-lasting, breathable, moisture wicking. And the website is Vivre or Vivre, V-I-V-R-E, activewear.com. So if you want to check them out, now you have the website. You can go check it out yourself and get leggings with pockets. They can fit your phone and a whole bunch of other stuff. Second pair of leggings. Oh, this one's different. It's not a this one's a Ziploc bag that has an actual zip instead of just the, you know, you saw me open that one. You knew what it was. This one does not have the mesh detail, but it also does have 2 pockets. 1, 2. This is the logo of the brand that's kind of printed on the back of the leggings. I wonder where it's printed on the top. We'll see. And the top. Also in a Ziploc bag. This one's called the Resilience Hoodie Tank. Oh, I should tell you what the other 2 are called. So this one is called the Radiate High-Rise Performance Tights in Now Blue. And this one is the Good Vibes Mesh High-Rise Performance Tight in Forest Night. It's a single layer top with really breathable dry wicking material or moisture wicking material. The logo's on the inside there. Oh! There's also another bit of the logo on the back of the top, near the bottom hem. If you're wondering about prices, I think the tights were both, I can't remember exact prices, but they were between 50 to 68 Singapore dollars each. I think the Radiate High-Rise Performance Tights were slightly more expensive, so they were the 60-something pair, and then the Good Vibes Mesh tights were 50-something. The top was, I think it was $15 because it was on sale. So these are 3 items that I got. I'm super happy with them. They feel nice. The color is exactly what they advertise them to be. Fast delivery. I'll probably post an update on my Instagram about how they feel when I'm actually working out in them, and like whether or not the pockets hold up and keep my phone on me when I'm running, because that's the actual test. That's what I bought these tights for, so that needs to work. So yeah, I'll probably post an update on my Instagram, which is @TillyCXZ. If you guys want to follow me, you'll see more makeup stuff, more pictures of my cats, and projects that I work on for work. If you want to know what I work as. And just more life stuff if you're curious about what goes on in my life. It's not that exciting. It's super boring, actually. Not that exciting a person, sadly. So yeah, I know it's not really like a huge haul. It's only 3 items, but I was really excited about these items and just wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys have ever worked out for a Spartan race before and know what you should train for, please feel free to give me advice down in the comment section down below. We didn't really like measure this. We're running anywhere between like 100 and 500 meters, stopping and then doing like bear crawl or a like as many squats as we can in a minute, or like push-ups or pull-ups and stuff like that. Trying to work out as much of our body as possible, because Spartan seems like it would be like a full body endurance experience. I know there's rope climbing, and I'm not too worried about that actually, because I do silks and aerial stuff, so I'm actually quite comfortable in the air. I am confident in my upper body strength, but that's the only part of me I'm confident in, and I don't know how that's gonna hold up after, I don't know, like 15 other obstacles before we get to rope climbing. I just always wanted to run a Spartan race, and Not that I didn't know how hard it was gonna be, but I guess I didn't realize how hard the training was gonna be. I don't know why I wouldn't think of that. I just don't like running. I don't like the stamina stuff. I like the doing the obstacle stuff. If you guys have advice for what kinds of exercises we should be doing, please let me know. Thank you. Until then, keep being your amazing, awesome selves, and remember to keep on embracing your inner weirdo. Bye!